Shannon from Meet Shannon Lee Professional Makeup Services. We do makeup services for photo shoots, editorial, fashion, weddings, bridal. We can do special events and special occasions, as well as film and pageantry. So today we're going to be doing a fun look. It's going to go with my new camo outfits that I got at Empire Street Style. Empire Street Style is actually a New York-based small business that I'm a partner in, and they have eco-friendly clothing that's sustainably sourced right here in the United States, made in America. The clothes are made from organic cotton, bamboo, recycled materials. Even the water at the factory is recycled when they're making the clothes, which is huge for making a smaller carbon footprint and helping the environment and not overusing resources when making and manufacturing the clothes. The clothes are very good quality, and they're available at www.empirestreetstyle.com. I'll definitely be tagging them in my posts, and make sure you follow Meet Shannon Lee and Empire Street Style for updates on fashion, beauty, makeup, and sustainability. I'm going to take my moist beauty blender. I always get it nice and wet under warm water and then wring it out a little bit. And my Artistry Exact Fit foundation. Really, I only use about a pump or two. It depends on your skin, what kind of foundation you want to use and how much of it you want to use. But I try just to get a nice base and not overdo it. I don't ever want my makeup to look cakey. Okay. Foundation's on. Nice even base, cover everything up. Now I'm going to be putting on a perfecting concealer under my eyes just to brighten up a little bit. I use my same beauty blender to gently tap and work that product in. Okay, once you have your foundation and your concealer on, those are both liquids. You want to set the liquid with a powder. So you can use a pressed powder or you can use a loose powder. I like to use a little bit of both. I get a nice fluffy brush, fluffy. Get some of that powder on there. I like to make sure I tap the additional powder off. You don't want to get too much up on there. Beautiful, so beautiful. Next, what you want to do is take a nice angled brush, and then a contour palette. I like to use powder. A lot of people use liquid. I don't need to contour my face that much, so I use powder. I want to look like me. Make that little kissy face and follow the natural line of your face. Fabulous. Okie dokie. So next step, I do my blush. I have like a little kabuki brush. That's great for blushing. I usually use a combination of these two darker shades, and then I'll use this light shade. I'll use darker shades here and blend with my contour, And then I'll use the light shade to go over everything, the apples of my cheeks, and bring it back and blend. And smile. And bring that all the way back. Next, I take a fan brush and do my highlight. For today's look, I'm just going to go with this really light pink. Very pretty. And lightly fan it. See this guy? He's nice and fluffy. And I'm gonna put this white, very neutral color as a base and a wash over my entire eyelid. Alright, now I'm gonna take this very light green shimmery color. I love shimmer. And put a little bit on the inside of my eye and wash the lid. All these pretty colors to choose from. I love my color palettes. So let's see. I'm gonna go with, for the camo, I'm gonna go with this green palette right here, these three greens. I think they're gonna go the best with the camo, and we're gonna have fun with that. Start with the lightest color. It's easier to start with light and go to dark. Working that color into my crease. Okay? You really want to blend the product. Now that was this color right here at the bottom. Next, I'm going to take a smaller brush where the bristles are a little bit tighter and closer together. And I'm going to go to this darker green and get that on there. And work that into the corner. You always want the corner here, depending on the look you're doing, but for this particular look, you want the corner to be the darkest. And get some shimmery green, shimmery color. And go in the inside of my lid and bring it across. Inside of my lid, bring it across. Highlight below my eyebrow. Just very lightly. And go back to the darkest color green and bring it a little bit under the eye. See that? Only about halfway. You bring the dark color under your eye. Halfway. And then you can go to your light or shimmery color from the inside of the eye across. Brush them. And then I'm going to use this Collab brow pencil just to do a little bit of fill-in. I have a lot of natural eyebrow hair, so I don't have to do a ton of fill-in for my eyebrows. So you can do as little or as much as you like. And I just gently do small strokes. My Collab Shape and Shade. It's like an eyebrow mascara, and I use that on my eyebrows. I love this because it helps keep my eyebrows in place, like so they stay down, the hairs stay down and in one. The eyeliner, you can use pencil, you can use liquid, you can use a brush, you can use powder. There's so many different variations of eyeliner, so you can really do whatever makes you, you know, the most confident and comfortable. I like liquid eyeliner. I like a bold liner. So to bring out my big eyes, I use this liquid liner, and it has a brush application. Okay. Next is my mascara. I like to roll my mascara to get it ready to put on. On our last step, beautiful people, which is our lips. Today I'm going to use MAC Patent Pink and Ruby. I'm putting the Patent Pink on the top and all the way across. The Ruby, I'm going to come in to bring it a